Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Well, Fast Week is fast approaching. No pun intended. And I wanted to see if I can bring up a few more changes or adjustments that we can make to the preparation as we go through. So this week until February 28th, we were supposed to be doing the 6 hour eating window, but I'm going to change that a little bit. If you're doing the Ramadan, here's what we can do instead. We can have an 8 hour, 7 hour, and 5 hour eating window for the next 3 weeks. If one week is already gone, then you can have your 7, 6, and 5 hour eating window. So during this period of time, we're not concentrating on eating clean as yet, but you can go ahead and eat as clean as you want so we make it easier in the transition. I would practice drinking as much as I can and lowering my carbs as much as I can. That's what I'm doing with mine. Now, if you're not doing the Ramadan, which is fine, we still have time to prepare for the fast that we're going to be doing. What I would do here is have different eating windows for about 2 week increments as we go through from here. So my suggestion would be start with a 16-8 window, which is you eat within an 8 hour period and you don't eat within the 16 hour period. Then from there, just look at the amount of time before the fast week that you have. And I would do it where you narrow down your 8 hour window from 8 to, if you can do it, bring it down to 4, that would be great. If you're going to reduce it by 1 hour each week, you can take half an hour from the bottom, half an hour from the top, and you really don't feel it as much. So I would go from a 16-8 to a 24 eating window by the time the fast starts. Let's talk a little bit more about why fast is important, right? When we eat, after we eat, we store. When we don't eat, we burn. So one of the reasons I say let us try to do the 16-8 down to the 24 eating window where you eat within the 8 hours or you eat within the 4 hours is so we can give our body time to burn. Our body is not used to not eating for 20 hours. So letting it get there gradually, going from an 8 hour eating window, which is really doable, to a 4 hour eating window is something where you can do it over a period of 4 to 6 weeks and the body wouldn't even recognize it as much. This system is a part of my 12 months to better health program, but it goes through this for an entire year because we are supposed to eat in cycles and we're supposed to eat different things as we go through. So it goes through the cycle itself during the course of the year. We all think that if we, well, I shouldn't say we all think, but a lot of us think that if we don't eat for a certain period of time, then it's unhealthy for us. But on average, if you have about 180,000 calories on your body, which is really not much. It means if you're about 180 pounds and you have 25 to 30% body fat, you already have 180,000 calories that can last you. And that can last you for up to 3 months without you really getting sick or without anything happening. So it's just a matter of us training our bodies to work that way. And at the end of the day, the fast is not really physical, it's more mental. So let's see how we can change our mindset into making the fast a lot better before fasting comes. Okay? So until next time, thanks for tuning in and goodbye.